How to fix Powkiddy X55 HDMI not working. Fix 1. Plug in HDMI before powering on. Make sure the HDMI cable is connected to both your TV and the Powkiddy X55. Turn on the X55 after connecting the HDMI. This is key for the signal to work properly. Fix 2. Update Jellos. Download the update file for Powkiddy X55. Ends in tar. Insert the SD card from your X55 into your computer. Move the downloaded file to a folder on the SD card for easy access. Safely remove the SD card from your computer. Insert it back into your Powkiddy X55 and turn on the device. Go to Tools File Manager on the X55. Find the folder where you saved the update file. Cut the file, then navigate to the Storage Update folder and paste it. After the file transfer is complete, restart the Powkiddy X55. The system will automatically update and notify you when it's done. Fix 3. Fix distorted display. When Jellos boots, the screen might look horizontal or distorted. After booting, navigate carefully through the menus, even if distorted. Once you launch a game, the display should correct itself and appear normal on the TV. Fix 4. Check your operating system. Jellos may not fully support HDMI. If your device came with emuelec 4.5, HDMI should work fine. Switching to Jellos could cause issues. If possible, consider switching back to emuelec to enable HDMI functionality.